Okay, here's Thomas at 5 months and 6 days, and he is about to have his very first real people food.
Actually, 5 months and second week start, 7 days.
And this is called organic
Banana and pear rice pudding.
Okay,
Suitable for 4 to 6 months babies.
it's all recommended. So here's his first taste. He's never had people food before. Let's see his reaction.
Smell it first. Very nice.
Okay, his interest is piqued.
And one more sip. How's the taste? How's the texture? It's different. This is very first time human food practicing for Thomas.
Uh-oh, looks like he smiled, but then he spit some.
He's very naturally sucking and eating.
Yeah.
Let's see. He's smiling. He likes it. And he smiles more.
That's okay, you can have it.
This spoon is from his daddy, David. When he was at this age, he started baby food with this spoon. And it says David, his name on it at the end, the back side of this spoon. How it tastes, Thomas?
Oh boy, I think he likes it.
He likes it.
We have a people food eater.
Very nice, very nice. Half spoon is all gone, and he's very comfortable and smile.
How much should we give him?
Just 1 spoon, and then wait a little bit and see how he digests. We can't use jar. Each time you have to take some scoop out to little baby bowl and then use it.
Okay.
So that way you can keep fresh the rest of baby food for the next time. Almost. The last bit left of his first spoon of the food.
I think he likes the spoon more than the food.
How is it? How is it? Very good. Tastes good, isn't it? Yeah. Mommy, please give some more. And here, the last little left. Wow!
Well, there you have it.
There you go, Thomas.
Wow, his first spoon of baby food.
And he's very happy and very comfortable.
Okay.
And smile.
Okay. Say
See ya.
bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.